What's going on, guys? It's Dolphin Lover, and yeah, I'm gonna be joined by Ultimate Gamer. So this is the firework video, and yeah, we're gonna do the sparklers first, of course. Yeah. Ultimate Gamer's going crazy with them right now. So yeah, I'll be all scan.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
I call first.
Well, those are yours. These are mine.
Light it!
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
You got it, buddy?
What happened here?
Here. Come on, stick one in there.
Can I just put mine down?
Yeah, just don't.
Guys, this is hard to do with one hand. Ta-da! Wow. Ta-da!
Put our sparkler together, my friend.
Mine are burnt. It's just a lit stick.
Put it in the water.
There are sparklers.
There you go.
Everywhere I look, there are sparklers. Oh man. Where should I put this hot one?
In the water.
In the water? Okay. It made a sound.
Oh guys, yeah, I don't know if you can see that now, but we get circles of water.
Wait, look mine. Look at mine.
Oh, that burnt me. My turn. Oh, look at them putting their sparks together. Whoa! I'm gonna set fire.
No fire.
Oh, no fire.
Must set fire to lightning bugs.
Okay, put it out of there.
Wait, guys. Can you record this?
I am.
No, I mean, I want to put it in the water because it makes a sound.
Here. That's it being put out. Guys, this might be only part one. It went out just at the worst time. Oh! This might be only part one because I can only upload 10-minute videos. So then, yeah.
Here, watch out.
This is gonna be part one of my firework special. This is gonna be part one of the firework special, and then part two should be uploaded straight after it. Whoa! I am a ninja. Whoa!
Okay, here, Scott gets one more, and then Colton gets one more.
That's me. Yay! Ultimate Gamer gets one more, and Dolphin Lover gets one more.
Oh! Wait, put all of them together!
Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
That looks so epic right now.
Alright, what does it look
Okay,
like?
here's your last one. Got it?
I shall shine like a... Oh, my power!
My firepower. Boom, boom, firepower. Yeah, we'll do them last.
Yeah, they're just more for, keeping bugs away.
Ow!
Okay?
Guys, I just burnt myself.
Oh, no.
I picked up the wrong end. Oops.
Okay.
So now, yeah, here comes the firework finale. Well, not really the finale. It's just them put on the sidewalk right here. Look at this pretty neighborhood.
Are you sure this will not set any fire?
Yeah, they don't, if you do them on the sidewalk. But if you put them straight next to this big fat tree over here, then yes, they will catch fire. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go turn on the light, guys.
No, don't turn on the light.
Oh, okay.
Cause then we'll kind of not be able to see that as better. Oh man, the 4th of July fireworks.
These are one of those crystal fountains, guys.
You need to send this video to me.
I will. Yeah, guys, this is the... Ooh, look at this. But this is the part 1. And then there's going to be a part 2.
Oh! Oh!
Look at all that smoke.
Jeez! There's a fire.
I love playing in the smoke. So, Scott, don't pick that up, okay? Here's my daddy, the old man. My daddy, the old man, like slash. Lighting all this big box of fireworks. Now, we did do some last night. Sorry we couldn't get that, so sorry. But yeah, we're doing 2 parts.
We should like put.
Look at all the smoke over there. It's so cloudy. It's all went over there.
I'm not exactly sure if the viewers can see it.
They can see the fireworks at least. Sorry guys, I'll try to turn up the... Look at that. Flashy flash.
It's beautiful.
And guys, I will tell my daddy to stop lighting them whenever we're going to do the last part, whenever I'm going to do the second part. So you hear that?
One now.
Yeah,
we're going to light a big fountain, guys.
How much time do we have left?
Well, we got about 4 minutes, and then it'll be part 2.
Okay. Whoa.
So we're doing face-to-face videos.
This one is going to be good.
Wait, that's... Guys, look at this. Look at this big guy. TNT peeps like on Minecraft.
Put it in the lights so they can see. Can you see it better?
Yeah. Walking down my driveway.
Whoa,
I'm looking at the back of my daddy.
Are you sure this is safe?
Yeah, Scott, back up.
Okay.
Watch this,
How
guys.
will it break out of the wrapping paper?
It's a fuse that sticks out of the wrapping paper.
Well, I mean... Oh, crap. Okay.
Guys, look at this.
Oh, man, this is going to be so...
So, yeah, don't light anymore right now. So, yeah, guys, that's the end of part 1. And, yeah, part 2 will be uploaded straight after it. So, yeah, goodbye.